Your next question is, which country is famous for the ancient city of Petra? Here are your options. A. Jordan. B. Egypt. C. Iran. D. Turkey. Your correct answer is A. Jordan. Your next question is, which animal is known for having the longest neck? Here are your options. A. Camel. B. Horse. C. Giraffe. D. Zebra. Your correct answer is C. Giraffe. Your next question is, which planet is known as the blue planet? Here are your options. A. Venus. B. Earth. C. Mars. D. Jupiter. Your correct answer is B. Earth. Your next question is, which country is famous for ice hockey? Here are your options. A. Canada. B. India. C. Brazil. D. Egypt. Your correct answer is A. Canada. Your next question is, which part of the body helps humans smell? Here are your options. A. Eyes. B. Ears. C. Nose. D. Tongue.
Your correct answer is C. Nose.
Your next question is, which is the tallest animal in the ocean? Here are your options. A. Shark. B. Blue whale. C. Dolphin. D. Octopus. Your correct answer is B. Blue whale. Your next question is, which country is famous for the ancient ruins of Machu Picchu? Here are your options. A. Chile. B. Peru. C. Mexico. D. Argentina. Your correct answer is B. Peru. Your next question is, which bird is known for its ability to mimic sounds? Here are your options. A. Owl. B. Parrot. C. Eagle. D. Swan. Your correct answer is B. Parrot. Your next question is, which instrument is used to look at very tiny objects? Here are your options. A. Telescope. B. Compass. C. Microscope. D. Thermometer. Your correct answer is C. Microscope. Your next question is, which country is famous for the Northern Lights? Here are your options. A. Norway. B. Italy. C. India. D. Brazil. Your correct answer is A. Norway. Did you get all the answers right? Comment your score below. And if you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more awesome GK videos every day.